Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to save the Excel workbook using C# code in Power Automate Desktop. So please watch this video till the end so that you can understand it completely. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. So let's get started. In Power Automate Desktop, if you want to use the C# code, you need to use this run.NET script action. And since we want to work with the Excel file, we have included microsoft.office.interop.excel assembly. And apart from that, we have used this .NET packages folder inside this script action so that certain DLL files can be included. To work with the Excel file, we need to include interop.microsoft.office.interop.excel.dll and system.data.datasetExtensions.dll. These two files we need to include to work with the Excel file in Power Automate Desktop. Now here what we have done is, first of all, we have created an object of the Excel, right? For that we have used this microsoft.office.interop.excel.application and then created an object which is Excel app using the new keyword, right? And after that what we have done is we have set the visible property of that Excel instance to true so that you can see it on your screen. Next, what we have to do is we have to create an object of the workbook. So we will name it as workbook WB. Then I will use Excel app dot, and then I will use workbooks dot add. We are using add function to create a new workbook. After that, we will create an instance of the worksheet as well. So I'll just name it as ws equals to, and now we need to do the typecasting. So we will use bracket, and inside that we will paste microsoft.office.interop.excel, and then at the end we will add worksheet. And now we will use this WB, which is the object of the workbook, dot sheets. And here we will specify the index of the worksheet, which is 1. So worksheet is going to have the index, and that is going to start with 1. After that, what we will do is we will write some data in the worksheet. So let's say ws.range, and here I will give the range, let's say A1 to, let's say C5. Now I will put dot, and then I will use value to property to set the value in this range, and I will write it as technical training solutions. Then I will put a semicolon. Let's say after writing this data, now we need to save this. So what we will do is we will use this workbook dot save as. We will use save as function to specify the location where we want to save this data, right? So I will use d:// sample files is the name of the folder. Then I will give the name of the file as excel data file .xlsx, and here I will put a semicolon. After that, we need to close this workbook. So I will use this wb object dot close. So it will close the workbook, and after that we will use this excel apps dot quit function to close the Excel instance as well, right? So while saving the data, sometimes you might also encounter the alerts, right? To disable that, what you can do is you can use this Excel app object, and then you can use display alerts property, and you can set the value as false. And once you are done, you can come back here and set the value again as true, right? In the file path, we will use add symbol to tell the compiler that to treat this string as a string literal. Okay, now I will click on save, and then I will run the bot. You can see Excel file has been opened and it has written the data, and then close the Excel file. Here you can see that Excel data file has been created. So this is how you can save the Excel file using C# code in Power Automate Desktop. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, please post it in the comments section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.